Okay, so today we're going to plant beans. We're going to start them in these cups, and then once they get bigger and stronger, then we're going to move them to bigger pots, right? To bigger pots. Okay, so we just have 2 cups, and I like using the clear cups because it's easy and fun for the kids to see the roots and watch them grow. So we just have old dirt from our other pots. So we have some dirt. We're going to grow 2 different types of beans, Daniel, right?
Yes.
So this one was in this kind of this was a bean that I got from Hawaii, and then Daniel just opened it up, right? So it looks like this, and it's a type of kidney bean. They're really pretty. When they are just growing, they're pink. They're really pretty and pink and purplish. And then the other type of bean, right, Daniel, is the bush bean, right? Bush bean. And these are from Hawaii as well. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them. Okay?
6 of them.
So, same like our other videos, let's put some coffee grinds in them.
Okay.
Here's your spoon because it's still wet from this morning. We always save our coffee grinds. And if you guys do not drink coffee, you guys can get coffee, the coffee grinds from different coffee stores. I know that Starbucks does it because they don't do anything with them. So if you go there and you say that you're gardening and you want some coffee grinds, they'll give you the coffee grinds. Okay, so you put some coffee grinds, and I just mix them. I use a spoon, I use anything just to mix the dirt and the coffee grinds, and it acts as nitrogen. And then I'm going to put some eggshells in, Daniel, right? Because it adds calcium. So use the spoon and crush it. Here you go. Put it right in front of you. Good. And then I'm going to put some coffee grinds in the other cup while you're doing that. So I just put some coffee grinds. And if you don't drink coffee, you can also use grass clippings. Fresh grass clippings. It does the same thing as coffee grinds. Acts as a nitrogen for your plants. Because if you take care of your plants, they'll take care of you. Right, Daniel?
Yes.
Very good. So I'm going to use this spoon. I'm going to just mix it in like that. And then you want to crush the eggs in?
Yeah.
He loves crushing the eggs.
Yes.
Right? So I'm going to put this one and this one. You crush that one and you crush this one. Okay? Very good. So I'm going to put some dirt in so that the seed doesn't get lost in the eggshells. And the beans, our family doesn't really eat a lot of beans, and I wanted to add it to our diet because it has a lot of vitamin C in it, vitamin K, and calcium. It's really good for the kids, but we just don't really eat beans. So when I had some beans that was grown, it was really good. It was from the garden. It was so fresh. It was good. So I bought some beans, and then I'm going to try and grow them. They taste so different from store-bought. Store-bought and your own grown veggies, they taste so different. And that it's amazing, and the kids love it. They can just go outside and they just can pick their fruits and veggies right off the vine, and they can just eat it.
And I like planting it outside too.
You do? It's fun?
Yeah.
You love finding the worms for them, huh? Finding worms. He loves digging for worms.
And I
Right?
like digging.
You like it?
Now
Okay.
first, I'm gonna put seeds inside it.
So what I would do, because it's fun and the glass is clear, Daniel, is I would push it towards the side so you guys can see it growing.
Yeah.
So you see this, Daniel? I'm going to push it all the way against the cup so that it's kind of fun and you guys can watch it grow, right? See? Just push it along the sides.
I can see mine.
Perfect. And don't put it too deep. That is perfect. Put it on the opposite side to give it room to grow. So you can put it on this side. And then I will push these around and let's see if these
Can grow.
Yeah, let's see. It's fun. It's just fun, and then you can watch the roots grow. It's a good, fun home science experiment. And then hopefully we'll have some beans in about 10 to 15 days.
And it grows really fast. Huh?
It does, right? It grows fast, and they make a ton of beans. So you can just keep growing your own beans from the ones that you have, right? So this costs a couple bucks. This costs $3. And then you can just keep growing your own beans, and just giving it to everyone, giving it to your friends and your family, and just keep growing your own vegetables. Did you add more dirt? Perfect. Yes, you can put some more dirt. And then let's put a little bit of water and then we're done. Was that fun?
Yeah, we're not done.
Oh, we're not done yet. Okay. Can you put some water, please?
Sure.
Thank you. Not too much. Okay, so all you need is really good seeds, good dirt, water, and then a source of light. That's perfect. Okay, so that's good. So if you take care of your plants, then they'll take care of you. And it's just so good for your body. I mean, my kids have not been sick in so long because they eat so many veggies all day. I feed them for breakfast, for lunch, snacks. I just make sure I give them a ton of bell peppers every day, tomatoes, so that I can just build their immune system. A lot of people are getting sick right now because it's winter.
Yes.
So I feed them extra vitamin C to keep them healthy and strong. There you go, and that's it.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Thank you. Happy gardening.